Hi, I'm Chris Turry, General Manager at Actemium Detroit. We are a systems integrator, a hybrid system integrator. So we specialize in continuous process application and discrete automation projects. Our main industries served are the automotive industry, primarily automotive paint finishing, food and beverage, consumer goods, and life sciences. Those are really the top vertical industries for our firm. However, we also have a portfolio in water, wastewater, municipal projects, aerospace, and many others. We feel that the diversity allows us to apply technology and lessons learned in one industry to other industries. I think briefly, there's three things that differentiate our company. Number one is culture. All the engineers and people we have are very passionate and enjoy what they do for a living. Number two is strong adherence to communication. We like to share everything with our staff, with our customers, vendors, and suppliers. We believe in transparency. And finally, all of the leadership and decision makers at our company are engineers. Therefore, it creates a really strong environment of professional empathy and allows us to connect with one another. Reduction of risk. Very, very important in our industry, the been there, done that factor. And due to our investment in Rockwell, our training, our certification, our many years of collaboration and partnership with Rockwell, our customers are not paying for learning curve on the fly. So we are able to be impactful and do that efficiently, and that reduces our customers' risk.